Mmm. Oh. Oh my god. Yes. Yo guys, what is happening? What is going on? What is good? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Omar. Guys, the sun is doing its thing again where it just keeps coming, going, coming. Stop. Guys, I'm sick and tired of going to the Chinese takeout, ordering noodles, and it comes to like 30 pounds. So, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Chinese stir-fry noodles, Chowmein, whatever you want to call it, at home. Save money. Guys, this is honestly super easy. Most of it actually comes down to preparation, okay? I like to make the vegetable option because I actually prefer vegetables more than meat. Not a huge meat eater. I'll eat meat every once in a while, but majority of the time it is vegetables. So for this, I don't like to put too much vegetables because I'll be honest, I'm a huge like noodle lover. Like I have a fetish for noodles. I just love noodles. So I prefer tasting more of the noodles than I do the vegetables. So what we have here, green pepper, which is actually essential to the dish. So even if you don't like green peppers, you got to put that stuff in there because it's just going to add to the flavor big time. Then we have carrots to sweeten the whole thing. And we got some red onions in there because red onions are really nice and juicy and sweet. Once again, the reason why I keep saying sweet is because a lot of stuff we're going to put in here is pretty salty. So you want to balance out the salt and the sweetness. So it's like that perfect. I like to get these noodles here, Charwood's fine egg noodles. So for me, the noodles have to be like super thin. If they're thick, then to me I feel like I'm eating spaghetti. Cool, so first things first, So you're gonna wanna break it in half. This is just a lot easier as well. Oh my God, that flew into the camera. Wait for it, there we go. Cool, so water in the noodles like so. Guys, fairly easy, and you're just gonna submerge all that into the hot boiling water. Please don't touch it because you're gonna burn yourself. You're gonna go to the hospital, and you can't do that because everyone's got coronavirus in there. Cool, leave that there for now. So you're gonna get a pan like this. I mean, usually you should use a wok, but I don't have a wok, and to be honest, pan pretty much tastes exactly the same. Turn that heat up to like a 9, man. You wanna well, I don't even know why I'm trying to feel it. I just turned it on. I'm just kidding. Gonna get some olive oil. And then just put the olive oil there. Alright, so while that's heating up, I'm going to talk about the raw ingredients that you guys are going to need. First and foremost, crushed garlic. This is amazing. I actually really like it. Black pepper, absolutely essential. I'll tell you guys why later. Ginger powder, onion granules, chili flakes, sesame oil, soy sauce, salt. We're going to get a bit of that onion. Oh, okay, cool, that's ready. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit to like a 7 just so it doesn't burn me. Start off by putting vegetables in there, like that. That already smells fantastic, man. It smells really good. Cool, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna start adding a few things because we wanna season the vegetables. So a bit of that crushed garlic, put that in there like that. A bit of the onion granules as well. And a little bit of soy sauce. So what I like to do is I like to season this dish twice. The first time with the vegetables, and then the second time with the noodles. You're just gonna stir that, and the soy sauce is gonna brown the vegetables as well. Oh, that smells so good, man. So we're gonna stir this until the vegetables actually shrink a little bit because there's a lot of water in it. So we're gonna get rid of that retaining water. So first of all, when we put the noodles in, we're gonna start off with the sesame oil, then we're gonna do soy sauce, and then we're gonna do salt, and then we're gonna put some, oh, I forgot to put ginger. Damn, cool. Ginger, crushed garlic, onion granules, chili flakes, I can put that there, and then a lot of black pepper. The vegetables have actually, they're a lot more soggier, and they've shrunk a lot more as well. So while the vegetables are doing its thing, you just want to make sure with the noodles, you kind of move it about, break them apart as well, and just make sure that the noodles are, you know, doing their thing. So they've been sitting here for like a good maybe 5-6 minutes. So I'd give it maybe another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna drain it. Cool, they're looking pretty good, man. I give it like another maybe 1 minute. And yeah, and we're ready to turn this bad boy off because the onions are actually starting to caramelize. We don't want them to caramelize too much. Right, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna drain the noodles. And drain. So we're gonna leave that there for like a good 5 minutes just to drain all the water, get the water coming out. We don't want any of the water touching the pan. Okay, the noodles have been sitting for like a good 5-10 minutes. I actually got distracted doing something. So we're gonna turn up the heat to about like a 7, 8, 9. Let's go for a 9. Noodles go in like that. That's a lot of noodles. So we're gonna start off first of all by using the cap on the toasted sesame oil. So we're gonna go 1, and we're gonna go 2, and then maybe 1 more actually because we're using 4. I normally make 3 of these noodles, so I like to remember got a bit more in there. And then sesame oil, what do you call it? Soy sauce. Once again, we're not gonna measure really. Hopefully you guys can kind of just figure it out yourselves. That's all right. That. So then next up, we'll use some more ginger. So for this, I'm actually quite happy to measure. So we'll go for 2 teaspoons. Cool. We'll bring the heat down a little bit because we're still putting the stuff on there. Garlic, go for about maybe 2 teaspoons, like that. Perfect. Onion granules, I'm gonna go for like 3 teaspoons, teaspoons, like that. I know this seems like a lot, but we are making 4 of the noodles. Chili flakes, not too much with this, maybe just half, like that. Now guys, with black pepper, you need to go all the way with black pepper. This is like really important. So the black pepper, we're gonna go for, I'd say, an entire teaspoon like this, and then if we need more, we'll go for more. Basically what you want to do when you're stirring this is to just always flip the noodles. You're gonna make a bit of a mess. It's gonna go all over the place. This is why wok is like super handy, but you're gonna basically want to flip the noodles. All the noodles that are down, bring them up. But look at that, that smells gorgeous, guys. But the black pepper, I have found, is like the essential ingredient to get that kind of peppery noodle taste. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a bit of salt, not too much, because don't forget you have the soy sauce. I'll add some more soy sauce. I think that's not enough. So mix that up. That looks pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. That looks delicious. So I'm gonna leave that there to just kind of cook now, nice and slowly. So just from smelling it, it actually smells perfectly seasoned. I can't. It doesn't smell like it needs anything more. So what I'm gonna do now is, it's been sitting here for a good like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna try and flip as much as possible around, just so that, yeah, everything can get like a nice even coating. Look at that. That looks pretty good to me. So you're gonna give it a good blow. Okay guys, good luck. Oh, that is so good. I got a bit of the chili flake actually. It's quite salty from the soy sauce, but that's pretty much exactly how the Chinese takeout places make it, right? Super salty, and then by the end of it, your stomach is sticking out, and the next day, you're just like, ugh. Oh my god. That is perfect. You can taste that ginger. That is so nice. The pepper gives it this really nice kick, man. The onions, the carrots, the peppers, they give it that nice balance because it kind of sweetens out the noodles because you have the saltiness from the salt and especially from the soy sauce as well. So having those flavors complemented just helps so much more. That is gorgeous, guys. That is phenomenal. Beautiful. I'd also say maybe next time, instead of adding the crushed garlic, to maybe just add some garlic powder so that it distributes a lot more evenly, because what I noticed was when when putting in the crushed garlic, like it would still be a bit of clump, so I'd have to really stir it a lot more intense, just so that all the crushed garlic kind of disperses evenly. Look at that. With the garlic powder, it's just a lot easier to coat everything. But my God, oh, you know what I forgot? Lemon, my best friend. Lemon in there, just mix that up like that. Mmm. Oh. Oh my God. Yes. Mmm. That took the noodles from here all the way up there, guys. That lime, that just kind of like, it gives it that beautiful citrusy kick. So now you have the saltiness, then you have the sweetness of the vegetables, and then you have that lemon to just really lift it up. Mmm. 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 Guys, that was fantastic, honestly. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, you know what to do, man. Enjoy cooking it. Let me know, all that good stuff. Peace.